Use an ADC ProAx termination block as a guide to stripping the cable. Start by stripping the cable's outer jacket. Insert the rear compression parts as follows. First, insert the end cap, tapered side first. Make sure the O-ring is inserted with the end cap. Second is the rear seal, keeping the tapered side to the outside. Third is the rear compression ring. Pay close attention to the direction this part should be inserted. Larger outside diameter of the part should stay to the outside. Wrap a piece of tape over the braid end to prevent fraying. Now insert the threaded insert as shown. Next, cut the outer braid. Peel back and trim the remaining of the outer braid. Insert the ground ring and press it over the braid. Then, trim the excess braid. Strip the middle dielectric. Cut the middle braid. Cut the inside dielectric. Insert the center pin onto the cable's center conductor. Use the appropriate crimp tool to crimp the center pin. You may also solder the center pin. Tug on the pin to make sure that it is secured. Insert the crimp sleeve over the middle braid. Insert the knurled side of the crimp ferrule between the middle braid and the dielectric. Pull the crimp sleeve toward the crimp ferrule. Use the appropriate crimp tool to crimp the sleeve. Check to make sure that the center pin is close to being flush with the end of the crimp ferrule. Then insert spacer between the ground ring and the crimp ferrule. Insert and thread the front center conductor assembly. Use two standard 13 mm wrenches to tighten the center conductor shells. Pull the rear compression parts together by screwing the end cap to the threaded insert. Use a standard 22 mm wrench and a standard 19 mm wrench to tighten the assembly. Insert the front assembly starting with the outer insulator, followed by the front body. Tighten the front body using two standard 22mm wrenches. It is essential to do a continuity check when the termination is completed. Check all the conductors, that's the inner, the middle, and the outer. Here are ADC's male and female ProAx Global Triaxial connectors terminated. To unlock the connectors, hold the male connector in the grooved area, pull on the body, and pull the connectors apart.